Dashcam Madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. I guess this driver just couldn't wait. Look closely at the sky. Incredible.
Wanted to try again right away now that I was expecting it, but I was afraid that I'd still ruin it. Like somehow I'd end up biting his nose off. It was our first kiss in public.
What do you think this driver is doing here?
Jackass! The fuck?
This truck driver really could care less for other drivers.
What the f***?
Including Imperial Oil, which reports its quarterly earnings update on Friday. Tomorrow's going to be interesting. Metro, the grocery store retailer, kicks off the quarterly earnings season for the grocery store.
You can't park there. Out. They're the workhorses, basically. Yes. Yep. So there's like two of them that could. From the back.
I would say he handled this like a stop sign, but he didn't even stop all the way. You would be surprised at this clip. A flying tire.
We get to ask her questions, convert all of your assets into gold. But why not multitask and do that while you call in to play our games? The number is 1-888-WAIT-WAIT. That's 1-888-924-8924. Hi, you're on. Wait, don't tell me. Hi, this is Carol.
Who is in the wrong here? Parking is so hard, right? This is just arrogant. The first BMW to ever use a turn signal.
A few moments later.
Look at these cute squirrels. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.